guys, how the bloody hell are ya? You doing good? Yes, of course you are. Welcome back to the channel. My name is lemme, and I'm a professional surf skater. And I know it's been a minute. I've been a little preoccupied these last couple of months. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I'm an actor. And at the start of the year, I was filming an indie feature film, so I filmed that for a month, and then went straight into filming a pilot for a TV show called Casino Beach. And if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that I've been posting a lot about Casino Beach. It was an awesome time, had the time of my life filming that episode, and yeah, I can't wait for you guys to see it. Hopefully it gets picked up and we can create the rest of the series. Yeah, it's a great story, so if you're interested in that, definitely check it out on Instagram at casinobeach.tv. And yeah, I'll let you know when those two projects I filmed are going to come out, if you guys want to watch them, if you're interested. But yeah, let's dive into this tutorial. As you can already tell from the name of this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do an air reverse on your surf skate. So get pumped up, get ready for it, and let's dive into it. Yo! You guys already know the drill by now. Grab your surf skate. Any surf skate you have is going to be absolutely perfect for this tutorial, but you already know what I'm riding. I'm riding the 34-inch Filipe Toledo Pro model. Shout out to Smoothstar for sending me a fresh deck to kickstart the year off with. And I also got a 35.5-inch Manta Ray board. I haven't ridden one of these boards in a couple of years. I've ridden it a few times. They're super fun, so super stoked to get my hands on one finally. And yeah, let me know what you guys want me to see do. Let me know what you guys want me to do on this board. I'm super keen to ride it, test it out in the bowl, at the parks, and yeah, absolutely thrash it this year. So let me know what you guys wanted me to see do on this board. Yeah, super stoked. Shout out to Smoothstar, you guys are legends. Thank you so much. And yeah, let's break this tutorial down for you. Yo! Alright, so before we get into it, there are a few things that you need to know before we dive into it. The first thing is you're going to need to have speed. You want to generate enough speed so you can hit the coping and pull off the maneuver correctly, but you don't want too much speed though. If you have a lot of speed and you're going super fast, it's going to launch off that ramp and it's not going to end very well. You're just going to go flying. So check out my how to generate speed video if you haven't already, and yeah, just sort of gauge your speed. You don't want too much speed, you don't want enough speed. Just find that happy medium where you have enough speed to pull it off. So just trial and error, practice it, and you will get it. The second thing is you're going to need a little ramp or a little coping, a little curve. On the street will do just fine. That's what I'm doing, using a little curve just at the front of my house here. It's a great little learning platform to start doing air reverses on. You want to start small if you're a beginner, you know, work your way up onto those bigger ramps. The same techniques in this tutorial is going to apply to that of a bigger ramp at the skate park or anything. So just find like a little ramp that you can air off and that you're comfortable with and confident with. Also too, this is an advanced maneuver, so make sure you're limbered up nice and loose and limber so you don't hurt yourself. Check out my warm-up video if you haven't already. That will give you a good idea on how to sort of warm up properly for these type of maneuvers so you don't hurt yourself. So let's get into it. So first thing you want to do, generate speed, have enough speed, and approach the ramp, approach the section that you're going to hit. Now depending on the angle of the ramp, you might hit it straight on like I'm going to be doing in this tutorial, or you can bottom turn. Either way, it's the same technique. So just sort of gauge your angle, gauge the ramp, and sort of figure out the best way for you to hit your ramp depending on the angle and structure of the ramp that you're hitting. So with me, I'm approaching it front on, so I have my speed up, I'm looking at the section that I'm going to hit, and as I approach that section, I start to compress my knees and I start to load up on this back foot here. So I'm looking at the section that I'm going to hit, I'm approaching that section and I load up, and as I do that, I'm compressing my knees and I'm sort of shifting my weight onto my back leg here, and my chest comes over my knees here. And as I approach that coping, that little section, I start to lift up, pop up onto my back trucks. And as I feel myself launch off that ramp, I'm popping up onto my back trucks. And as I feel my back trucks leave that ramp, that's when I pop up. And I pop up with my front knee and I bring that up to my chest. And what that's gonna do is gonna allow me to get that height and that projection, that pop off the ramp. So you're coming up, looking at the section you're gonna hit, compress, load up onto your back knee, pop it up, and bring up your front knee towards your chest. And as you do that, and as you feel yourself launch off into the air, that's when we begin our rotation. So to rotate, all you want to do is rotate your arms and shoulders and head into the direction that you want to turn, and then rotate your hips at the same time. So all our momentum is shifting this way up in the air. And with that back leg now, we want to rotate that as well. We want to sort of kick it out and rotate that around. And we're all doing this simultaneously at the same time. And that's going to help us get that 180 projection over to that side. So just base it off feeling, just make sure you're rotating and coming over. Now, landing is probably the hardest part of this maneuver because you're landing backwards, you have speed, and so you know it's a bit difficult. But when you land, you want to make sure when you're landing, your both feet are on the board obviously, and you want to shift your weight onto your back foot as you land and stay low and compressed, and then pivot onto your back trucks and turn around in 180 like that and ride out of it. So to sort of break it down a bit more, a good exercise to practice and get that feeling of that 180 motion, that 180 rotation, is to sort of do some jumping 180. So like this. So you come down here like this, you load up, you're compressing with your knees, making sure your chest comes over your knees like this, and you're loading up and you're looking at the section you're going to hit. You're sort of shifting your weight onto your back foot. And as you come down here, you're sort of doing like a half squat here, and then you're releasing and jumping up in the air. And as you do that, you want to throw your arms, shoulders, and head and rotate in this way like this. So you come down here, load up, and go boom, just like that. And now once you got that sort of movement happening, you can do your jump. So you come up here, load up, and then jump and rotate around. So I do that again, come down here, load up, and just jump, rotate your arms, shoulders into that direction. And you notice when I land, I'm landing compressed. You know, I'm not landing up straight like this. I'm landing and I'm compressing, and my weight is still shifted onto this back leg because I'm riding out backwards, remember? I want my weight to be shifted onto this back leg so I can pivot on my trucks and turn out and ride out of it cleanly with speed. So just give that exercise a little practice, load up, rotate around that 180 motion, and make sure you're compressing on that landing, okay? And just practice that a couple of times, get that feeling, and that motion of rotating in a 180 direction. Now it's the same on the back end if you wanted to. It's the same mechanics on the front side and the back side. When you're rotating on your back side, your arms are, instead of rotating in front of you, they're rotating behind you like that. So you know, you want to rotate this way. So on your backhand, just practice this rotation as I'm going this way and I'm rotating that way. So just practice throwing your elbow back, your arm comes around, and you're looking back over your shoulder like that, and then your hips and legs follow, and then make sure you're staying long compressed and riding out of that turn. That's how you do air reverse on your surf skate. Go out and try it, be careful guys. Persist and you will succeed. If you don't get it the first time, just keep on trying. Just try it on a smaller ramp, and you know, try it at the skate park if you want. Yeah. Yo! Well, that wraps up today's tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Follow me on Instagram at @LatenLepetite and tag me in your videos if you want me to give you some feedback on your surf skate technique. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I want to hear it. I want to do some more videos for you guys this year. So let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see next, what you want to learn, if you want me to do some more fitness stuff, some more tutorials, some more, you know, park sessions or whatever it is. Just let me know. Get into that comment section and let me know. Alright guys, thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Happy surf skating and go out and shred. You!